Hi friends, hope this finds you well. Maybe you saw the video on the spice market. Okay, that was the July box. So now on to our design on the fly. Let's see, I have no idea what I'm gonna make. Oh, that's part of being design on the fly, right? I do love Ava beads, so I pulled those out and see what we can come up with. And I think these are just absolutely stunning, so I'd love to be able to use those somehow. So those are the check glass disc beads. So yeah, let's see. So I'm thinking earrings. So I'm thinking, what can I do with an Eve bead? I wonder if I can do something in the round. Like this. Okay, so we got that. What else do you think we could do with this? Can definitely do something there with these guys. Okay, this is a possibility. What do you think? Huh? It's coming together. Yeah, sometimes just laying the beads out helps you try and think through what you want to do. So there's a possibility. Now I don't know if there's something we can stick in the middle or if it's just going to be open like that. Maybe we'll have it open. That would be different. Could be that we do something with a round trio bead in the middle. I don't know if we could pull that off or not. If they're like how about we put one of these in the middle, right? And we can put the round trios here, and then we can weave in and around all of this because they have the 3 holes. That might be a possibility. Okay. Oop, I missed a spot. And then we need to do something on this outer edge. And I'm thinking something with my seed beads that are now going everywhere. Trying not to have them go everywhere. So I don't know how many I would need. So if I do those 2 and say one of these guys, or a heart bead in between, or another yellow. Let's see. I wonder. So we're gonna have to play with that when we get to that part. So I think need to start with the round trios and the Ava and go from there. So now need to find some thread. All right, I'm gonna have to come back. I gotta find me some thread. All right, so I have my wire guard. I'm not sure how many seed beads I need in order for it to clear and look okay. I'm going to try 3. Let me see what that looks like. 3 on each side of my heart bead. I think 4 or 5. I'm not sure. I'll try 4. See how we're doing. I think that might work. Put on our wire guard. What are we caught on? There we go. We were caught on something. Something. Hopefully, let's see, I think 3 across the top will even have it go. I like having the beads on the top of the wire guard. Actually, I'm gonna go through the wire guard first and then come back and add beads the second time around. I'll change my mind, folks, and I'm allowed to do that. I'm almost there. Oh, I just made a big knot. Ah! Totally did not go the right way on that one. Alrighty, let's see. So I need to come back out. I tell ya. Let's try this again. Just trying to take the beads off. So you want to go back in where you started from. And they should slide right off. There we go. Alright, now go through the wire guard, pick up our 4 seed beads. I'm having all kinds of issues here. This is supposed to be on top of the wire guard, not... How did you get all wrapped around? Ah, bugger! Gotta come back out. There's like a little twist in it. And if you ever have trouble pulling your needles, always grab a pair of pliers so that you distribute more even energy and not break your I'm always breaking my needles. That's the word I was looking for. Alright, now let's try that again. Make sure we're not wrapped around the wire guard. So we just want our beading thread to run on the top of our wire guard. That's because it's there to protect our thread from getting frayed. Alright, now I can pull it tighter. Alright, now we're going to pick up 4 seed beads and go back through the heart. And then come back up through the wire guard and put the seed beads on top. What do you guys think? That should finish the one side. Yeah, I could have added more seed beads. Oh well. So 5 would have worked, but that's okay. So now we're going to go back up through all the seed beads and the wire guard. Get snug in there, so just be careful not to break your needle. Okay. put the 3 on top of our heart here. 1, pick up some of the ones that got away from me, 2, and 3. And then we'll go back down through our wire guard and through our other seed beads. And then this can be either earrings or a pendant, whichever excites you. So those 3 and sit up here on top, look all pretty. And then we can go back in the heart and finish our pendant / earring off. What do you guys think? There we go. Actually, that's kind of cool. It's different. I think I like it as a pendant. So I will find a chain, add it to it, and yeah, there we go, folks. Thanks for joining me. Yeah, I'm excited to share this piece with you. All these beads were in the Spice Market Treasure Box by Potomac. You can find it in my link of my YouTube, and make sure you come join Trish and I when we go live and join our Queen Beaders group. If you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure you do so. Yeah, this channel and these products help me and my family. Alrighty, have a great day.